Welcome to Techlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sort by date on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After that, open any document. Now from here you can see some data, name and date. So just select your all the data and then right click on mouse, then click on format cells. Make sure that date is selected. Just select date and then click on OK. After that, click on home tab. Now at the corner on the editing option, you can find sort and filter. Also, if you cannot find this option here, just click on data tab and then click on sort option. From here, just click on sort by and then select date. You can see in my data there are headers, name and date. So you have to just check this option, my data has headers, and then click on order option. Just click on this arrow icon. That's it. You can see oldest to newest and newest to oldest. Just choose any option. If I select oldest to newest and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see the data are sorted successfully. Also, if I click here again and then select newest to oldest and then click on OK, and it's done. And that is how you can sort by date on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.